Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Brooke. I post makeup videos weekly and I would love for you to subscribe to my channel, so click that button down below and click the bell button to get notified. You guys know the drill, blah 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 blah. Anyways, for today's makeup look, I figured I wanted to do something a bit more natural because this is so natural, but something that was a bit more on the natural side. I know I wanted to do a cut crease and do something that was just quick and easy. Also, if you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it, and it actually helps me out a lot. It helps to get my videos noticed. I want to keep this intro short today. If you want to see how to get this look, just keep watching. Alright guys, excuse me if I am low energy today. I am recovering from a virus. I do not feel well. I probably look it, tired, pale, all that good stuff, but I was like, you know what, Brooke, you have to film. You have got to film for your subscribers. You can't let the homies down. So here I am, filming for you guys. I don't know exactly what also ignore my breakage here because it's probably gonna pop up. It's so annoying, I can't take it. But I know I want to do more of a natural makeup look today, something like a natural cut crease, but I don't know exactly what I want to do. So let's just see where today's video takes us. But first, I need some coffee because I'm dragging. I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and use this as my primer today. So I'm just gonna put this on my lids. This is going to help all the shadows come out true to tone and make everything stay all day long. Now that I have that down, I'm going to be going into my Morphe 25A palette, and I'm going to be taking this shade right here. I'm going to put that all over my lid to set the concealer we just put down. I'm going to be taking this shade right here from the same palette, and I'm going to apply that into my crease and upper crease as my first transition shade. So just a tip for cut creases is making sure that each shade you are putting down is going all the way from the outer corner to the inner corner. There's been times before where I've done a cut crease and it looks great except for that inner corner because it doesn't look cut because it doesn't have that depth and darkness out there. So just a little tip. I would like to do a tutorial on how to do a cut crease when you have hooded eyes, because I may not look like I have hooded eyes, but it's because I lift my brows up because quite frankly, I have pretty hooded eyes and I'm not a fan, you know, because as a makeup artist I want more lid space. But anyways, if you guys would be interested in seeing that, just give this video a thumbs up so I know, and then I can film that for you, because I've struggled with cut creases for the longest time, and I think I've finally got my tips and tricks together on how to do it for deep set, heavier folded eyes or hooded eyes or anything like that, so just let me know. Then I'm going to be taking this shade right here from the same palette and going in with my Morphe E17 brush. I will be applying that shade into my crease area, keeping it a bit tighter in that area, not blending it out too much, because this is where I'm going to start to build the depth for the cut crease. I'm just using a very light hand for this and placing that color down and then slightly blending it out. Now I'm going to go into the shade right next to it, which is this shade right here, and I'm going to be going in with my Morphe M506 brush, and I'm going to be putting that even deeper in the crease. This will be the darkest color I'm using today. I'm also just slightly bringing this onto that outer corner to start to build a little definition out there as well. I'm not going to bring it too far onto the lid, I just want to keep it in this very outer V out here. Now going back into my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, I'm just going to go in and cut the crease with that using my Morphe M224 brush. So I'm going to apply a very small amount onto my lash line, look up, and then that will be where my new crease is, and that's where I'm going to start to cut it out. Okay, I totally didn't mean to take it out that far, but that's alright. I'll just go in and cover that area up again. But if you are following this tutorial and you want to do that half cut crease look, just stop about where your brow arch is, and that will help you to keep that definition out in that outer corner. Now what I'm going to do is go back in with my Morphe M506 brush and that darkest shade that we used and just go very slightly around that concealer line to make sure that it blends in nicely to the cut crease. So now I will be going in with these two darkest shades right here, and I will be applying these to my very outer corner to build a bit of a cut crease shape. And then I'm just blending that out with my Morphe M513 brush. Now I'm just going to dip into my Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. I feel like I genuinely can't do a tutorial without this just because there's so many staple shades in this palette for me. But I'm going to be taking the third shadow from the left, this pink shimmery shade right here, and I'm going to be popping that onto my lid as the shimmery shade in this cut crease. I'm just going to go in and apply that with my Naked 3 brush by Urban Decay. It just has a very nice oval shape to it, so it's nice and precise. Alright, and then just because I want this shade to be a bit more pink than it is, I'm going in with the shade directly next to it and just tapping that over the shade that I have on my lid right now. Okay, so now I'm going to finish off the face and then I will go in and fine tune the eyes. So I will be using my Becca First Light Priming Filter as my primer today. This stuff is awesome. I know you guys are probably sick of seeing this on my channel, but to be quite honest with you, it is the only primer I have right now. I need to go out and purchase one. I've just been stalling because I don't know exactly which primer I want to get. So if you guys know of any good primers or of any you think I would like, let me know. I would really appreciate it. For foundation today, I will be using my Tarte Shape Tape foundation in the shade Light Sand. I am going to be blending that out with my Morphe Beauty Sponge today. I'm just going to go back in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and highlight my face with this. Now I'm going to pick up my LA Girl Pro Conceal and I'm going to go in and contour and bronze my face with this. Now I will be going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow in the shade Perla. I will be applying that to the high points of my face and then blending it out with my sponge. Now I will be setting my face using two of my favorite powders, my RCMA No Color Powder and my BareMinerals BarePro Powder. For bronzer today, I will be using my Too Faced Chocolate Gold Soleil bronzer. Now I will be doing my blush and my highlighter today. For blush, I will be using the IT Cosmetics Ombre Radiance Blush in the shade Je ne sais quoi. For highlight, I will be using the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. I will be spraying my face with some Charged Water by MAC beforehand just to make sure that they can see me from space and that they know that I'm with it and I'm here for it. Oh yes, queen. Come through, Maybelline. Can we just talk about how drugstores killing the game nowadays? Like, amen. God bless. Okay. Now I will be going in with my Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit in the shade number 5 to fill in my brows today. I love this pencil. It just makes it so easy and so quick to do my brows. It is a total game changer. Okay, so now to finish off the eyes, I'm going to be going back with that Morphe palette and taking the matte black shade. I'm going to go in and smudge that onto my lash line. I was going to do winged liner with this, but because I am trying to keep this more on the natural side, I'm just going to go in and smudge this onto my lash line for definition and to help conceal the lash band. I'm going to go in and put on some falsies today and some mascara. For mascara today, I will be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and for lashes, I will be going in with my Ardell Faux Mink Demi Wispy Lashes. Alright, ladies and gents, now we're going to go in and finish off the eyes. I will be keeping my waterline blank, but I am going to go in and blend out that transition shade that we had put down right here onto my lower lash line. So for lips today, I will be going in with the Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick. This has been my favorite formula for a long time. I'm going to go in with the shade Feelin' Myself, and I will be applying that with the applicator. I'm just going to go around that lip color with my Morphe lip liner in the shade Sweet Tea. Alright, so this completes today's makeup look. I hope you guys liked the video. I really enjoyed creating this look for you and I really like it. I wanted to do something that was more on the natural side for the eyes today and something that was light and easy to recreate and quick. So this is my version of a natural daytime cut crease, I guess you could call it. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button down below as well as the notification button to join this squad we've got going here on YouTube. But thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave comments down below on what kind of videos you want to see next. Also, don't forget to follow me on social media. I will have all of that linked down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. You can't let them go. You can't let them I should put my hoops in. I meant to do that earlier. I apologize. Start with my eyes, so I'm gonna wow, not even 2 minutes into the video and I'm already messing up. Now I'm just gonna go back in with my tart shaped cake. So for blush, I will be using